In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag spikes in Path of Exile. Now, before you run your game, you will always have to make sure that you don't have multiple applications running at the same time. So if you see applications running, just right click and then exit them. You want to basically close down unnecessary softwares. So you can do the same here in the task manager. If you see unnecessary games or softwares running, just right click and then end the task to shut them down. So this way you only have one game running at a time. And then you will go here to Steam and then library. Here you will find your game, you will find Path of Exile, and then you would right click and then go to properties. So here just make sure launch options doesn't have anything written in it, and then close this down and go to Steam and then settings. Down here at downloads, go down and click clear cache. Now once you're done with this, you want to close this down and this down, then go to CMD and then run as administrator. So there's two commands you can write here to just refresh your internet. So first one is ipconfig/renew and then press enter. And then the second command, ipconfig flush DNS. So once you write this down, this should fix your errors.